Hello, I'm AJ. Welcome to General Entertainment. This video will go over lighting and how to light any event for under $100. So let's go over the basics.
Lights and colors that can be detected by the human eye are on the same spectrum as gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, radar, FM, TV, shortwave, and AM signals. The reason why we see different colors is because the light falls between the threshold of wavelengths that can be registered by the human eye. These wavelengths are measured in units of nanometers. The shorter and brighter wavelengths are colors like violet and blue. The longer and darker wavelengths are colors like magenta and red. White light retains all of these colors and wavelengths. Black is the absence or void of all color in the visible light spectrum. These are the three primary colors that all visible light in the spectrum stem from. White reflects all colors in the spectrum, while black absorbs all visible light. Now that you understand some of the basics of lighting, let's take a look at today's product. These are puck lights. Link below on purchasing options. By using the remote, these lights can be set to static colors white, red, green, or blue. Other settings are dimming the intensity, strobe, 16 color auto transition, and auto shut off after 120 minutes. By using the knowledge we've learned earlier in this video, watch as I go through the color spectrum. The details in the room become less and less visible as I transition to red. It's important to note that red is the least power consumptive setting when it comes to electronics that emit light. Here's a cool experiment. Try setting your cell phone background to red or black and see if this extends your battery life. I have used these small and extremely portable lights as uplights and background lights for photo or video shoots. As you see here in this photo, violet or blue colors, when applied to the background, add a pop or three-dimensional effect. The concessions made with such low pricing and portability does come with a caveat. Here on the left, you see an industry standard uplight. On the right, our puck light. Right away, you can tell the difference in luminosity. Although our puck lights lose the battle of luminosity, it wins in pricing. The industry standard uplight seen here on the left was purchased at $250. Our set of uplights were purchased on Amazon at $19.99, containing 6 lights, meaning one of these lights can buy 75 of these lights. Keep in mind, our puck lights are battery operated. During my stress testing, I got an average of 18 to 20 hours on 3 AAA Duracell batteries. I like this product because initial purchasing prices are low, and in case of loss or malfunction, they can easily be replaced without breaking the bank. By doing a quick Google search, you can find out the longevity of LED bulbs. I'm not sure of the durability of this particular model long term, but the science behind LED technology says I should get 5 to 10 years out of them. To be honest, I'd be happy with 3. So in this first installment, you have learned about the light spectrum and this wireless puck light system. In the next episode of this DIY lighting series, you will learn about strip lights and how to bring attention to key elements at your events.
I hope you've enjoyed my presentation and I look forward to bringing you more lighting DIY tutorials in the future. Thank you, goodbye.
If you like my content and would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on major social media platforms at General Entertainment, and that's General spelled General.